Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Company. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sanchari. I am here again today for this Raksha Bandhan makeup look. Raksha Bandhan is around the corner on 3rd of August, and I know because of this COVID we are not able to visit our relatives, but this can be a personal affair with our close friends and relatives. Obviously we will be celebrating with them, so I thought why not come up with a simple yet easy yet gorgeous look for this Raksha Bandhan season, and here it is. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. I have already did my brows off camera to save on some time, and also I moisturized my lips using my Vaseline lip balm. I have even moisturized my face with my Pond's gel base moisturizer, and now I will prime my face using my NYX Honey Dew Me Primer. This will give me a nice glowy skin, and today I am going for a glowy skin kind of look. I will pat it on my skin gently and then I will rub it. For my pores, I will use my e.l.f. Poreless Primer. This does a pretty good job to fill my pore area. Now that our face is primed very nicely, now we will move on to the foundation routine. And for foundation, I am using my NYX Born to Glow foundation. If you guys want to check the review on this, you can definitely go ahead and check my video. I have already done a review. I have given every detail, so you can definitely go and have a look. Also, I will mention the link to this in the description box. And this is in the shade Warm Honey. So I will use my sponge to blend out the product. Okay, now that my base is done, now I'll take my Milani Conceal and Define Concealer, and I am in the shade Warm Tan. This matches perfectly to my skin, so I will use this to hide my dark circle and the areas where I have got some dark spots, just there. This I will blend it with a brush to give me a maximum coverage. I will use a concealer, and the concealer that I am using today is from Flower Beauty. Sorry if I'm fumbling today. I'm filming this video after quite a long time. I know there has been gaps in between many of my videos. I'm very sorry, but I'll be very regular from now on. I had some issues, so which I don't want to share on social media at the moment, but when the right time comes, I will do it with you guys. This will be a brightening concealer for me, and I will use this over here. Now I will take my sponge again, and I will just blend out the product. It's time to set my under eyes and the areas where I've highlighted, and I am using my Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and this is in the shade Translucent. Now that I have set my areas, I haven't powdered my whole face because I don't want to look matte and dry and patchy. I want that glowy kind of look. Let's move with the eyes. Let's keep it very simple, very neutral. Let's see, I have not planned yet what I'll do. Priming my eyes with my Essence Eye Primer. This is a very affordable, good quality primer, and it is available on Flipkart, but now that it is out of stock because of its high demand, so I have already backups of 2 so that I don't run out of this gorgeous primer. And to set my primer on place, I will use my Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Touch Loose Setting Powder. I will set my eye area so that it does not crease. Today the star of the show for our Raksha Bandhan eye makeup is a glitter storm palette from Seattle, London, and look how gorgeous the packaging is. Once you open this, it comes in a cardboard like this, and then you just remove it. I know there are many palettes with the same packaging. I think Revolution has something like this and many other brands, but as per my knowledge, Revolution have copied from Seattle, London, because when I got this, none of Revolution product has such kind of packaging. And this is the palette. It has got all your neutrals, everyday kind of shade, and I will use this today to do my eye makeup. If you see, the top rows have all glittery, shimmery kind of shades. We have got 4 mattes, 2 over here, 2 over here, and 2 satin shades. I want to use the glitter from this palette, so let's see. I've not yet planned anything. I'm taking this shade from the palette. This might look little light on the camera, but this is a dusty pink color shade. If you want, you can just use this as your transition shade, and you can go with any shimmery shade, or if you want, you can just use a liner and it's all done. This is an occasion time, so we will go little extra, bringing it little outside. I'll go for this shade. Now I will use this plummy kind of shade. I will use this rose gold kind of shade, and I will use this as my lid shade. Oh wow, every time when I use this palette, it reminds me how gorgeous and how beautiful it is. Alright, so I did my other eyes off camera, and then I applied my kajal from Faces Canada and my eyeliner from Essence Cosmetics, and now let's move on to our under eyes. For under eyes, I will use the plummy shade that I had shown you guys. Then I will align my under eyes with that. I will take this dusty pink shade and I will blend out that plum shade. Now to give some extra oomph, I'll take the same glitter, but this time it will be this shade. I want to go for a matte brow bone, so I will use this shade and I will highlight my brow bone area. So this is Essence Make Me Brows in the shade, the darker one. I will use this Rimmel Kate sculpting palette, and I'll use this bronzer or contour, some kind of definition to my face. Now I will highlight my cheekbone, then I will go with a blush. Use this shade from the palette. I will take my all-time favorite Wet n Wild Mellow Wine blush. Oh, I forgot to contour my nose. No problem, I'll do it now. Now it's time to use mascara, and for that I am using my Essence I Love Extreme Lashes mascara, and it has got a wand like this. I'm using my e.l.f. Glow Plus Mist Setting Spray, and this will give me a nice glowy kind of look which I am looking for. With the help of my sponge, I will again press the product inside. It's time to use my lipstick. I'm using my Faces Canada Lip Crayon in the shade Magnetic. Also, I applied some fake lashes to amp up this look.
I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes.
So friends, this is what I have come up with for this Raksha Bandhan season, and if you guys like this look, then please don't forget to comment down below your thoughts, your suggestions, your advice. Everything is most welcome, and if you want such kind of videos, then please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Also share it amongst your friends and family, that will be helpful, and I shall see you soon on my next one. Bye, take care.